Leute und willkommen zu einem neuen Video von mir. Heute drehe ich ein Get Ready With Me und zwar Indian Edition. Habe ja schon alles ready. Plus ich habe mein indisches Kleid schon an. Wir fahren nämlich gleich zum Tempel und ich dachte, warum nicht euch so ein bisschen mitnehmen, wie ich mich ready mache. Falls ihr meinen Kanal noch nicht abonniert habt, würde ich mich sehr über ein Abo freuen. Und dann würde ich sagen, let us begin.
I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it will take a miracle now to fix the problems. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you? Fall back to you, fall back to you. Why do I fall back to you? Why do I fall back to you?
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us.
So Leute, das ist auch schon der fertige Look. Ich hoffe, ihr hattet Spaß beim Zusehen und lasst auf jeden Fall ein Abo oder einen Daumen nach oben da und dann sehen wir uns im nächsten Video wieder. Tschüss!